Me this week. Three major central banks, the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England BoE, and the Bank of Japan, BoJ, all decided to keep interest rates unchanged. Although each economy faces different challenges, policymakers shared a common message: uncertainty remains high, and they need more evidence before making their next move on monetary policy. The biggest concern for all three central banks is inflation. While price pressures have eased compared to previous years, inflation has not yet returned comfortably to target levels. At the same time, officials are trying to avoid slowing economic growth too much by keeping interest rates high for an extended period. This balancing act has made policymakers increasingly dependent on incoming economic data. Markets are now closely watching whether inflation continues to decline without triggering a sharp slowdown in employment or consumer spending. The Federal Reserve is monitoring the strength of the U.S. economy. The Bank of England remains focused on persistent wage and service sector inflation, while the Bank of Japan is assessing whether rising prices and wages are sustainable enough to continue normalizing monetary policy. For Forex traders, the key events to watch are upcoming inflation and employment reports, GDP releases, central bank speeches, and future policy meetings from the Fed, BoE, and BoJ. These indicators will shape expectations for interest rates and drive movements across the major currency pairs in the weeks ahead. Stay informed, manage your risk, and follow for more daily Forex market updates.